literally sweating and I literally smell like McDonald's. So, hi. I've literally only been in university for 2 weeks and I literally look hideous. So I apologize if I'm hideous, but this is real. This is real. So if that's not proof that I should quit school now, I don't know what is. But too bad. I have to get this bread. So everyone was asking me to make another video because I'm legendary. So I went on Instagram and asked everyone like what videos do you guys want to watch, and the majority vote and everything was get ready with me. I'm not really going to do anything too in-depth. I'm mostly just going to show you guys my everyday transformation that I go through so that people don't call the cops on me whenever they see me in the street and think that I'm like a serial killer. So the very first thing that we're going to fix is my hair. Curly Penny Who, I'm coming for your brand. You might as well delete your channel now, like. So every day with my hair, I always spray a little bit of Royal Honey Kalani Desert Melon, if you guys want to know. I forgot to brush my... I'm literally suing. Okay, so now that that boy's in, there's a product that I took from my mom's room, a brujeria product, and I use it all the time without telling her. Well, now that the secret's out, I love you, Mom. So now that our hair is properly moisturized and prepped and everything, I put my hair into 2 separate braids. So let's go ahead and do that. Anyways, let's go back to the braids. So if you look like the India Maria, you're doing it right. So next we're gonna prep our face and do our daily washes and everything, which as you can tell has been working out perfectly good for me. So let's move into the bathroom.
So I'm just gonna get anyways, we're just gonna get prepared with an acai or acai pulp. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but who cares? We're just gonna rub it all over our face, and it was really painful, so ignore my face. It was cutting into my pores, and we're gonna wash it off and just do it ever so gentle and everything. Just rub it in there. Oh, okay, well, so next we're gonna take a crystal lava bubbling charcoal mask by Pacifica. Well, it says to put it on there thick, so we're gonna do it thick. Ew, I heard a noise and I thought it was a kidnapper breaking into my house, but it wasn't, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the pineapple quench serum and just rub it all over my face. I'm going to use this age refresher by I forgot the brand.
My face literally looks the same, but unfortunately you can't just drink 1 cup of water and use a face cleanser and have your problems go away. So we're gonna finally go into my everyday look, and you already know we gotta hydrate our lips. So the first thing that we're going to do is cover up our mistakes with concealer, which by the way, I totally caused these scars by myself. They were way smaller and less visible, but you know when you have a pimple and you just keep poking at it and keep poking at it and keep poking at it, and like you know that you're gonna make it worse, but you do it anyways. Same. Next, what I do is I brush my eyebrows, and it's kind of hard to brush them because I literally have so much product on them. So I'm gonna go in with a Benefit Browsing. Cause you're amazing. Anyways. So I know a lot of people say that your eyebrows need to be related, not twins, but in this case, this one is the golden child, and then this one is the creepy uncle at the cookout and the barbecue who wears really ugly shoes. Next, what I usually do is I contour my nose. So in the meanwhile, I guess I'll just talk about my childhood crushes. I know a lot of people had a crush on like Danny Phantom, even Sonic, and like all these other characters and everything, but honestly, my first cartoon crush as a kid was Big Weld from Robots. but this is a secret between only us. No one else can know, okay? So next, I'm going to make my whole face red again. Oh my gosh, speaking of red, this reminds me of another childhood crush I had, and that was Knuckles the Enchilada. I don't know what it was just something about him that drew me because he's cool and he has gloves. Comment down below, would you rather date Knuckles or Sonic? Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with like a deeper brown like this, and I'm gonna put it underneath my eyeballs like so, because I'm still very emo to the extreme. So if you look like you just told your mom to get out of your room, you're doing it right. Next, what I'm going to do is take this liner and I'm gonna outline this part of my eyeball. Are you good? Oh, ooh. Okay, well. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this part of my eye thicker. It's not necessarily a winged liner, it's just really close to the lash line and just kind of like blending it into my actual lash line so it looks like my eyes are bigger, like that. So we're gonna curl my lashes now. Ow, why did that one hurt? So now we're gonna put on mascara. Chemicals. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna go in with Dream Sequence Color Pop. I usually never highlight my cheekbones or cheeks or anything, but we'll do it this time. Usually I use my fingers for ColourPop Cosmetics highlight. It almost feels like putty highlighter, and you can just totally use that for your fingers. I find that when you use a brush, or when you attempt to use a brush on ColourPop highlights, it just doesn't work out. So that's why I'm using my fingers. So we're not done quite yet. Okay, there. So I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics Liply 06. It's going to match my natural lip color. Then I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry as well. So, how's your morning been? I'm hungry. So next we're going to take a Liply 12 and I'm going to fade it into my so-called natural lip color. There you go. There is one final step to getting ready with me, which is undoing my braids. Alright, so this is the final look, everyday look, and thank you for getting ready with me. Hopefully you feel more blessed. Hopefully you're thriving right now. Hopefully you're feeling so good, and hopefully you're not hungry like I am, because I'm really hungry. And it's don't forget to join my Christian Minecraft server. Follow me on Instagram, and Team Knuckles.
This is the real, this is for me.